is Varnika and I am studying in grade 6 Scotsman International School. Today I am going to explain about Chnadrayaan3. Chnadrayaan3 is the third lunar exploration mission and program by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It consists of a lander Vikram, a rover Pragyan, similar to Chnadrayaan2 but does not consist of an orbiter. It was launched on 14th July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. The main objectives of Chnadrayaan3 are to safe and soft land the lander and to demonstrate rover roving on the moon and to conduct in situ scientific experiments. According to ISRO's Chnadrayaan3 has cost about 615 crore rupees. The launch vehicle Mark III LVM-3 carried Chandrayaan into space. The Vikram lander has made a safe and soft lunar landing at 6:04 p.m. IST on the moon. On August 23, 2023, on the moon's south pole. Chandrayaan, the Vikram lander, which is conducting experiments on the moon, has detected a natural seismic event. The Pragyan rover travelled over 100 meters, 330 feet, confirming the presence of sulfur, iron, oxygen and other elements. The mission life of the lander and the rover has one lunar day, about 14 Earth days. Chnadrayaan3 is a great success achievement for India. Thank you.